Winter is officially here, and you know what that means. It's time for some cozy, delicious Indian classic paratha, which I am going to give a healthy twist on. And you know, I'm not just stopping at the parathas themselves. I will show you 3 creative ways to serve them: a fresh and satisfying lunch, a hearty breakfast that's sure to impress, and a cheesy twist that kids will surely love. So today, let's make avocado and methi paratha. I have got you covered, so grab your aprons and let's dive right in. This step is so satisfying. Start by mashing the avocado with a fork until it's nice and smooth. Next, add the chopped methi leaves 1 cup. Gradually mix in 2 cups of whole wheat flour, followed by cumin seeds powder, salt, turmeric powder, sesame seeds, ginger chili garlic paste, and fresh cloves of garlic paste. Give it a good mix to combine everything thoroughly. Remember, avocado and methi release natural moisture, so hold off on adding water for now. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. If the dough feels dry, add a little water, just enough to bring it together. Knead the mixture into a soft and pliable dough. Look at how beautiful and fragrant this dough is. Let it rest for around 15 minutes before rolling. This resting time allows the flavor to melt in beautifully and makes the dough easier to roll out. Once the dough has rested, divide it into equal-sized balls. Roll each ball into a thin circle. You can dust it with a little flour to prevent sticking. Place the rolled paratha onto the hot tawa and cook it by flipping until you see bubbles or light pink spots on each side. Once cooked from both sides, then drizzle a little oil around the edge. Cook until both sides are golden and slightly crispy. These golden, soft and flavorful parathas are ready to serve. Smell that goodness already. Okay, here comes the 3 options which I told. First up, let's keep it simple and classic. Serve the paratha with pickle or chutney of your choice and a side of creamy yogurt or raita. I personally love pairing these parathas with refreshing pomegranates. The sweet crunch of pomegranate and the herby freshness of coriander takes the flavors to the next level. And of course, turmeric root pickle is a must try and perfect for the season. For a simple and comforting lunch or dinner thali, pair paratha with any dry sabji of your choice, a bowl of creamy yogurt to cool things down, and a fresh crunchy salad on the side. This combination is nutritious, balanced, and so satisfying, a perfect meal for any time of the day. Lastly, let's hook the kids up with a cheesy twist. Look at the gooey, cheesy goodness. Top it up with some grated Amul cheese or any cheese of your choice. This version emphasizes the visual appeal and excitement of the cheesy twist, making it irresistible for kids. You can even add a sprinkle of Italian herbs or chili flakes for extra flavor. And there you have it, 3 amazing ways to enjoy this winter avocado parathas with. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more yummy recipes. Stay connected, God bless, and bye for now.